Hi there, Prakash here from prakashevs.com. Commission Clone Review. Welcome to my review of Commission Clone, and I'm in the members area of Commission Clone. During this video, I will be giving you a complete run through of exactly what is inside the members area and also how this particular software works. Actually, this is a software by which you can create YouTube videos without having to record your own video and without having to speak on the video itself. So you can just create a video, you can just make use of others videos and make money with affiliate commissions. So this is what you will be seeing in this particular thing, and this particular software. And no, I will be this is definitely a newbie friendly system, and you can just even a person who is totally new can make money with this particular software. And what happens is, here when you create a YouTube video, you can definitely add affiliate links from either ClickBank or JVZoo, and also Warrior Plus, some related videos, and you can make people click on them and you can get your affiliate commissions. So this is basically in a nutshell. Commission Clone will teach you how to make money out of YouTube videos with nothing but just free organic traffic. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please click on the link in the description below, and this will take you to my bonus page, which
If you've ever tried to make money online and failed, then please pay attention, because I have something important to share with you. Most people starting online spend years on trial and error, losing a lot of money in the process and eventually giving up. Today, I want to share a unique way to overcome this problem, and that is to legally steal other people's successful campaigns and use them to generate massive amounts of free traffic that will earn you generous affiliate commissions. This is 100% legal and ethical, and it's an extremely effective way to piggyback on other people's hard work to kickstart your own online earnings in a matter of minutes. The one thing you need to do to generate a significant amount of money online is to be able to drive free traffic. Without that, you'll struggle. Paid traffic is okay, but if you don't know what you're doing, you will end up losing a lot of money. My name is Dan Ashendorf, and I'm a full-time, six-figure internet marketer. Together with my launch partner Pixabuild, we've achieved success after figuring out innovative ways to generate high quality free traffic. After a lot of trial and error and thousands in development costs, we finally developed a system that does just that. We've called it Commission Clone because it clones other people's successful campaigns and uses them to generate massive free traffic and affiliate commissions. Commission Clone is a software that automates the entire process. It uses a hidden loophole to generate massive free traffic and affiliate commissions. It works in 3 simple steps. Activate. Your user ID and password will be sent to you via email. Clone. This is where the magic happens. The system will clone other people's successful campaigns and will drive loads of free traffic to yours. Profit. Just sit back and enjoy the commissions as they come your way. There is full training given in the members area. You will be amazed at how effective this is. Commission Clone works well for affiliate offers, e-commerce stores, YouTube videos, and anything else that requires lots of traffic. It's newbie friendly and is selling for a low one-time cost. You literally have no risk with our no quibble money back guarantee. So click the buy now button below and we'll see you on the inside.
Look something like this, and just scroll on this button here, scroll on this page, and you're going to see a red button here, a big button. So just click on this button and it will take you to the sales page, and there you can access this particular software, the Commission Clone. So click on this access button and you're going to get access to this particular software. Now going further, this link will bring you, this link will be live as of 11 a.m. Eastern on the 28th of October. This link will be live, and the early bird offer for this particular software is only $14, and be the first to pick it up, because after that the price is going to go up to $17 or even $19. So that is in the thing. And I have put a lot of bonuses for you, a lot of custom bonuses for this particular Commission Clone, which will go hand in hand and complementary, which will work in complement with this particular software. So I have done a lot of research and put the best type of bonuses for you. So I just wanted to go through the bonuses before I go into the next thing. So the bonus number one, what you're going to get is you're going to get the Eclipse software. So this is the Eclipse course. In this bonus, you're getting complete access to a method through which you learn creation and also hijack other marketers' email swipes and use them as your own. So in Eclipse is a course in which you will be learning how to hijack other people's emails and make it look like as if it's your own. And bonus number two is you're going to get you're going to get 3 traffic sources how to build your list fast. So if you want to get into affiliate marketing, the one of the best thing to do is to build a list. And here I'll be teaching you three traffic sources of how to build your list fast. So bonus number 3 is 2,500 email swipes. These swipes will help you get better conversion rates and also ultimately more buyers. So you're going to get this. And bonus number 4 is you're going to get access to Enigma Pro, which is a software through which you can get traffic to your Facebook page using viral videos. So this is one more. It's a software through which you will get traffic. So these are the bonuses which I have put in. The bonus number 5 is you will get access to the vendor bonuses, the bonuses that the vendor has given me to give it away to you. The list of 5 bonuses the vendor has given is: bonus number 1 is the live training, bonus number 2 is WordPress fast funnel builder, bonus number 3 is a ClickBank converter, bonus number 4 is Viralicity, and bonus number 5 is video marketing profits. So you're going to get all these from the vendor along with my bonuses which I mentioned above. All these 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you, even though you pick up the front end, which is just going to cost you around $14. So to get all these bonuses, all you have to do is click in the description below and click, and we should bring you to my bonus page, and click on any of these red buttons will take you to the sales page, and there you can get access to this particular product. Once you have done that, now the next question is where am I going to get the bonuses? So what you have to do is just after you make the payment in Warrior Plus will direct you to to a page like this, which looks something like this. On the right hand top corner, you're going to find your username or your affiliate ID. Just click on that. There'll be a drop down menu which says purchase history. Just click on purchase history. It will take you to a page on which there is a hyperlink for commission clone. Just click on that page and it will take you to a receipt page which looks something like this, or a thank you page. So click on this green button, you're going to get access to the purchase. Just down below is a blue button which says access affiliate bonus. So here you got access, you're going to click on this link and you're going to get access to all my bonuses. You don't have to send me your email address or your receipt copy or something. You're going to get it automatically. So this is the thing as far as the bonuses are concerned. Now let us go to the sales page, and I just wanted to show you what is on the sales page. So 100% legal loophole generates passive traffic. Yes, of course, cloning software uses hidden loopholes to generate massive free traffic and affiliate commissions in just 3 minutes or less. Newbie friendly, just press go. So this is true in a way. It is definitely a free massive traffic. You can get a viral traffic, and it is, of course, it will not be as less as 3 minutes. Definitely there is a learning curve. You have to learn about this particular software. So definitely you're going to get so you're going to use other people's videos, other people's Creative Commons videos, so benefit from other people's hard work, passive traffic and affiliate commission. 100% free traffic, 30% of work a day, and free training also given along with this particular one. So there's a demo page, there's a demo, full-fledged demo video here. You can just come and have a look at your own time. So without much ado, I want to take you to the members area and explain what the members area is all about. So the members area looks like this, and I told you it is basically a video creation software. So here you got a video creation suite, then you got this image creator where you create images, and you have got a video gallery JVZoo offers, then YouTube Creative Commons video sentiment analysis, and YouTube video analysis. Video analysis, this is basically for all these sentiment analysis and YouTube video analysis are for knowing which video has got more views, which video has got more likes, more comments, and you can just make a similar video like that using Creative Commons, and you can get this. So just let me go into the demo of how this whole thing works. Here get into this video creation suite, and you just have to press this create video. So you will go into this particular thing. Suppose I just want to make a video on keto. So just this is my favorite sort of a thing. So keto diet. So just press keto there, and here what you do is you just go into this. You can either inbuilt video, you can build your video, or you can take it from video gallery, or I just want to take from Pixabay images, and keyword is let me give as keto only, and let me give show results, and it will give me some images what I have to select. So I will select this and press done over here, and the moment I press done, okay, want to select images, I say okay. Then I go to the next thing. Then this is for this one. Then I go to this for the intro. Then for the main section is I go to the YouTube CC search, and again I press keto here, the keyword, and then I give show results. Then the results are going to be shown, and here I'm going to select this video, and the video is selected already. So, and the outro, again I just select two images from Pixabay. Again you have to type in the word keto because this is my niche. So I select this and this, and again I press this green button, done here, and okay. Then I go to the next phase, that is the third image. I don't do anything. So watermark, you can create a watermark, but I'm not doing anything here. So what I do is I just have to put a background audio here. So just go into inbuilt audios and I just select this particular thing randomly, and then I go and press submit. So if I press here create video, now this is going to create the video for me, and so this is the one. The video is created and now it is rendering. So the video, I have made this video a little time ago, but even this is not processing, only 70%, so it is not fully ready. So what you have to do is just do this process, and just have to, once the video is ready, just have to press the video link and you have to upload it to YouTube. So that's the way, guys. This is the way you create a video, and you can just create a video. And what you have to do is, after this you have to go into ClickBank or any offer. And now suppose I go to ClickBank and press again keto here. So go press keto, go type in keto, and I press go, and it shows me the diet cookbook, the keto diet cookbook. So I can promote this particular this one here. Now I go and press promote here, and here it goes into my thing, and I have to just give give my account nickname, and now I generate a hop link, and that's it. Zoom, I get the link. Just promote this link and I make the money. And this is my hop link here. So I have to just copy this link, and I have to just promote that link, and I have to embed this on this video. And what happens is I can make money straight. It's as simple as that, guys, as simple as that. So this is the way you really make money out of this particular product, that is the commission clone. And also with ClickBank you can also make money, with JVZoo similarly, and you can also make money with Warrior Plus by promoting suitable products. So I have taken the word, I have taken keto here. It can be anything. You can select dogs and give a dog training product, and you can do a lot of keywords. You can search and get an suitable what do you call product on ClickBank. So other thing is, now image video editor, you got an image editor here, which is a simple video editor, of course. So you can just edit your video and make this particular this one. So it is crop, rotate, resize, recycle. So this is so guys, this is in brief about this particular product, commission clone. So all you have to do is just click on the link in the description below, which will take you to my bonus page. Just click on this red button here, and which will take you to my to the sales page, and there you can get access to this product. Guys, if you really like this video, just click on the subscribe button, share, and also like my video.